Hello dear traders, you're on ИнстаФорекс TV channel where you can learn about the latest financial market news. The Russian ruble is seen trading on a solid upwards trajectory during today's deals following the Bank of Russia's decision to stand pat on its monetary policy. The bank's move did not surprise the markets as analysts had broadly anticipated this scenario. At the policy-setting meeting of the Board of Direction on Friday, the Russian Central Bank left the benchmark interest rate on hold at 11% against the backdrop of persistent inflationary pressures, including uncertainty in parameters of the government budget. Experts say that the regulator is highly unlikely to introduce any monetary easing measures before the third quarter of 2016. Russian policymakers also warned that inflation risks remained elevated. Members of the bank's policy board expect annual inflation to hit the 4% target by the end of 2017. The regulator also pointed out a positive shift in inflation trends, saying that consumer price growth has already dropped considerably, driven by weaker domestic demand and a decline in inflation expectations amid the tight monetary policy in Russia. All of this helped the Russian currency to push the already weakening US dollar even lower. According to currency strategists, the pair could slide even below its current levels.
As it was broadly expected, the Bank of Russia kept its monetary policy steady, sending the Russian ruble high against its US counterpart. What especially encouraged the investors was the update assessment of the domestic economy coupled with the fact that the regulator upgraded its economic growth forecast. Against this background, the dollar is likely to consolidate below the mark of 64 rubles.
A number of analysts argue that it was not so much the interest rate decision as the bank's economic forecasts that triggered the ruble's rally. In the near term, inflationary risks are expected to be contained, providing scope for the bank to finally soften its monetary policy. The markets will be looking ahead to the next meeting of Russia's central bank, scheduled for early June, where the Bank of Directors will once again consider trimming the key interest rate. It was ИнстаФорекс News and me, Ekaterina Stikhina. Have a nice weekend.